trees help us breathing better, help us protecting us from pollution, from allergies, and that is the only first service. They feed wildlife, they protect us from many other diseases, and they give us shade. Sidewalks don't give shade.
No.
And they protect
They heat up
wildlife,
the atmosphere.
the environment. We want to be green. As the entire planet in a global warming era, we should not be talking about chopping trees. We should be talking about planting trees. Creating green spaces, not destroying green spaces. That is where all the world, all the planet is going. And Roosevelt Island is going in the opposite direction, which is shameful. It's shameful to Roosevelt Island, it's shameful to the United States, it's shameful to the world, because the world is trying hard to recreating green spaces and planting more trees where concrete is now. So that's what we should do. We should recreate, not to destroy. And replanting new trees, it's the usual mantra. We cut trees and we replant. It's not the same thing, because replanting trees will take 100+ years to get there where that tree is standing now. So it's not the same thing. The mantra of replanting, we will replanting, does not work. It should not work. We should keep what we have. We don't need to replant after destroying the environment. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I vote for you.
Thank you all of you for coming. Many more were coming. Unfortunately, trapped in trains or buses, etc. I appreciate you all and know that you care. And that is very important. We all care about our island. We all care about our trees, environment, wildlife, and everything that we have down here that is realistically paradise. No one has this in Manhattan. Roosevelt Island is the jewel around the entire Triborough area, and we should do all our best to protect what we have. This is a treasure.
Fight for our land.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anything else is that?
Yes. We are on the Atlantic.